Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be decorating my bedroom for fall and I'm really excited to try this out this year. I don't typically decorate my bedroom for fall, but I thought it'd be fun just to add a few subtle touches to give my bedroom that fall festive feel. So here is the color scheme that I will be going with. All of these items are items I simply shop my home for. I didn't want to go out and spend any additional money. I wanted to see what I could come up with using the items I had. And today could not have been a more perfect day for being inside and decorating. It was so cold and rainy, and it just was kind of one of those days you just want to be cozied up inside. I had my coffee, I had a candle going, and I had some very relaxing fireplace sound effects playing on the TV. So I was all set. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you find some inspiration from it, or maybe it just helps you to relax. Whatever it may be, I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. Since the nights are getting much cooler, I decided to add another layer of warmth by adding this velvet quilt. And I'm tucking it under the mattress to give it a clean and polished look. This will be the base of my bedding, and then I'm going to add pillows. Lots and lots of pillows, as you are about to see. I feel like the more pillows, the better. It just gives the bedding that warm and cozy look. So I started with the pillows that we sleep on, and then in front of those, I'm adding these 3 Euroshams. These are not the prettiest Euroshams or the best quality, but let me tell you, they are the most comfortable, and I love leaning up against these, reading a book at night before going to bed. They're just so comfortable, and I like the little fur detail on the edge. I feel like it gives the bed that cozy look. I decided to add a duvet to the foot of the bed for those extra cold nights, and then I'm adding this Casaluna blanket from Target. I just love the very neutral beigey color of it, and also the texture that it brings the bedding. And to add those pops of fall colors, I'm adding 2 brownish pillows that I stole from my family room. Don't worry, my family room won't miss them. I have plenty of other fall pillows in that space, but these are just the perfect brownish golden type of fall color. And then I'm adding 2 pumpkin pillows. This orange one I recently purchased from Kirkland's. This is, I will admit, I did buy one thing, but it was half off. All of their fall decor was half off, so I could not resist it. And then the white pumpkin pillow, I did make that one myself, if you recall from my previous fall decorate with me video.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down.
Moving on to the nightstands, I don't like a lot of clutter, so I'm just simply adding a pumpkin or 2, and that is it. Just want to keep my nightstands very minimal in terms of decor.
Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those
I decided to add some florals to this side table. These I got from Target earlier this year, and I just love kind of the brownish pinkish tones in these stems. And then to add a little bit of more visual interest with mixing different textures, I'm adding these little white stems. These are just little picks I got from Michael's a few years ago, and I'm just placing them randomly in this arrangement.
like lilies you
My desk is another area that I don't like a lot of clutter, so I'm just going to add a little candle and accent pumpkin, and that will be it in terms of decor. But first I'm going to do some dusting here, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the scent Acorn Spice. I picked this up from Target, and they had several other autumn fall-like scents, but I love this scent. It has such a sweet, it kind of smells like, I don't know, cinnamon and nutmeg mixed together. It's just a very kind of sweet and cozy scent, if that makes sense. But what I love about their scented multi-surface cleaners is that the scent lingers in the room. So it's almost like a perfume. And a cleaner mixed in one, if that makes sense. But I just wanted to mention this because, in my opinion, it makes cleaning a little more fun. Since we are in the middle of fall, I'm stocking this basket with all kinds of cozy throw blankets, just perfect for cuddling up on those cozy, cooler days and nights. And as far as this console table, or dresser I should say, I'm just going to add little touches of fall by adding some leaf stems. And these I picked up from Michael's, I think a couple years ago, but I just love the color of these leaves. To me, they matched perfectly with the floral stems I used on the little side table. Finally, to add one more touch of extra fall coziness, I'm using this basket tray, and I'm going to fill it with a couple mugs. These pumpkin mugs I got from the Target dollar spot. They are absolutely adorable. I just love these little mugs. And I'm also adding a pumpkin and a little candle. And at first I thought this would look perfect on the bed, but then I realized that the floral arrangement I have in front of the bed was kind of obstructing the view, so I decided it would look better here on this bench, and I love it here. So this is where it's going to stay. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're new, and have a wonderful day. I will see you soon in my next one. Take care.